performed by professionals. Don't try this at home. First day of work, kind of nervous. If you're having a bad day, watch this.